Nitin. Thank you so much. I always forget. Thank you, thank you, thank you. So, session plan, how the planning will be like. We will be reading each and every chapter. Every day we'll be reading, every day we'll be pondering, every day we'll be practicing also. And then I will be doing lots of class activities every day you'll be doing, and we will be discussing case studies. इसमें से जितने लोगों की जिंदगी में डिफरेंस क्रिएट हुआ है वो अपनी लाइफ से अपना शेयर करेंगे, एंड देन आई विल बी शेयरिंग अ केस स्टडी ऑल्सो. एंड विद द केस स्टडी project kind of a thing will also be introduced. Regular assignment milegi, but one commitment I want from each one of you is to do assignment regularly. That is the most important part of this session, this journey, in fact, and that is the key to your transformation. And assignment करने में सिर्फ 10 मिनट लगेंगे, इससे ऊपर नहीं लगेंगे. I'm telling you, only 10 minutes. And once a week we'll be having a practical session. जो सेशन उसमें हम चैप्टर्स नहीं पढ़ाएंगे, उसके अंदर जितना हमने किया है उसका प्रैक्टिकल होगा, और उसके अलावा एक्स्ट्रा भी प्रैक्टिकल दिया जाएगा, सो दैट विच कैन एक्चुअली हेल्प यू टू ग्रो. देन वी विल बी हैविंग वन डाउट सेशन. किसी को कोई डाउट है, किसी को कोई प्रॉब्लम है, तो यू कैन से. एंड एवरी सेशन विल बी हैविंग अ वीडियो विच इज कनेक्टेड टू द टॉपिक, कनेक्टेड टू द टूल्स, बिकॉज हर चैप्टर में टूल्स हैं और हर चैप्टर आपको कुछ ना कुछ सिखा के जाएगा और एक असाइनमेंट देगा. तो दैट इज व्हाट यू नीड टू डू. देन आई विल बी शेयरिंग वर्कबुक विद यू. वर्कबुक आपको कोई कॉपी या नोटबुक लेने की जरूरत नहीं है, उसी वर्कबुक में आप लिख सकते हो, उसी में आप प्रिंट आउट लेके उसको लिख सकते हो उसके अंदर, और यू कैन राइट ऑन इन योर शीट्स ऑल्सो. दैट इज योर कॉल. संडे को हम क्लास नहीं रखते हैं, बट इन केस we want to shuffle or something, we can keep the classes on Sunday. Whereas जैसे अभी कल परसों करवा चौथ है, so करवा चौथ पे class will not be there because I have to go for my puja and all. So तो हाँ, we can keep the class on Sunday that way. So you will be having a mentoring personally. I will be giving you one coach and you will be having a care call every week. तो आपको ये कभी लगेगा ही नहीं कि आप जर्नी में अकेले हो, आप क्या करो, कहाँ अटक गए, क्या हुआ. सो आई एम विद यू ऑल द टाइम, एंड द कोचेस विल बी होल्डिंग हैंड ऑफ यू, सो यू डोंट हैव टू वरी अबाउट कि मैं क्या करूंगा, मुझे कुछ समझ नहीं आएगा. ऐसा कुछ नहीं होगा. यू विल लव दिस जर्नी, आई कैन प्रॉमिस यू. So how we are going to do is, this is a beautiful magical book with 28 chapters, and the first week is just the foundation. आज थोड़ा सा थ्योरी ज्यादा है बिकॉज ये पहला दिन है. हो सकता है 10 मिनट एक्स्ट्रा लग जाए आपको, बिकॉज इसके अंदर 6-7 चैप्टर्स पढ़ने होते हैं, एंड इट इज अ फाउंडेशन. फाउंडेशन का मतलब होता है वो आपको बताएगा क्या चीज क्या क्या है. तो फर्स्ट वीक में आपका फाउंडेशन ले होगा, सेकेंड वीक में आप थोड़ा थोड़ा चलना शुरू करोगे अपनी जर्नी में, इसी मैजिकल जर्नी में, एंड थर्ड वीक में भागना शुरू करोगे, और फोर्थ वीक में आप फ्लाई करना शुरू करोगे. And when you start flying means you will be getting flying results. So this is how the journey of this starts. And next is, and this is work. जो ये जर्नी है ये आपके हेल्थ पे भी काम करेगी, बॉडी पे भी काम करेगी, करियर पे भी काम करेगी, वर्क पे भी काम करेगी, मनी, रिलेशनशिप, पर्सनल डिजायर्स, मटेरियलिस्टिक थिंग्स, एवरी, हर चीज जो आप चाहते हो वो पे काम करेगी. But I want one commitment for you, from you, your commitment of coming to sessions regularly. By chance एक सेशन अलाउड है जो आप मिस कर सकते हो, जो आप फिर वीडियो देख के मुझे कंफर्म करोगे, अपने कोच को कंफर्म करोगे that you have seen the video in the sense recording. ठीक है, तो आप वो जरूर करोगे. But I declare right in front of everybody, each and every personal life will be transformed. That is my commitment to you, and I declare it openly. ये हो ही नहीं सकता कि आपकी ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन ना हो. जो आप कंसर्न लेके आए हैं, अगर आप बिल्कुल वैसे करेंगे जैसे मैं आपको बोल रही हूँ, बिल्कुल वैसे स्टेटमेंट्स डालेंगे, बिल्कुल वैसे प्रेयर करेंगे, हो ही नहीं सकता कि आपकी ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन ना हो. दैट इज. But don't give up. Don't give up. I'm standing beside you. आपके साथ खड़ी हूँ, कभी भी कोई भी प्रॉब्लम है, वी आर देयर फॉर यू। अभी भी हमारे लास्ट सेशन में जिनको कोविड-19 भी हुआ है, वो उन पार्टिसिपेंट्स के लिए भी प्रेयर, हमने सबके साथ प्रेयर की, सबको ब्लेसिंग्स भेजी, हीलिंग्स भेजी। वी आर टुगेदर प्रेइंग फॉर एवरीबडी। सो इट इज नॉट, इट इज अ फैमिली, इट इज अ मैजिकल फैमिली। और ये आपको एक दो दिन में अपने आप समझ आ जाएगा कि एक फैमिली है, ये एक कोई वो नहीं है कि आए और गीता का पाठ हो गया और जो भी हम सत्संग करके चले गए। नो, इट इज नॉट अ सत्संग, इट इज एक्चुअली a practical session which you are going to implement in your life and you can go ahead with it, right? So thank you, thank you, thank you. I really, really acknowledge each one of you for trusting me, for coming over here and taking charge of your life, and you will see the change happening in your life. I can promise that. Okay, so let us move ahead. So वन वर्ड चेंजेस एवरीथिंग। वो एक वर्ड सब कुछ चेंज करता है। क्या है वो वर्ड? फॉर मोर देन 20 centuries, words within a sacred text have mystified, confused, and been misunderstood by almost all who read them. Only a very few people through history have realized that the words are a riddle, a word's riddle, and that once you solve the riddle, once you uncover the mystery, a new world appear before your eyes. आपने अगर वो रिडल को सॉल्व कर लिया तो एक नई दुनिया आपके लिए खुल जाएगी. So in the magic, the Rhonda Byrne reveals this life-changing knowledge to the world. तो ये जो किताब है, उन्होंने ये बताया कि life-changing knowledge. Oh, let me mute everybody. Okay, great. So, thank you.
मैम मैं रीड करूं?
अभी अभी आगे से ये मैं खत्म करके उसके बाद करती हूँ. अंजना और आप दोनों मिलके रीड कर लेना, ठीक है? So, in the magic, Rhonda Byrne reveals this life-changing knowledge to the world. Then, on an incredible 28-day journey, she teaches you how to apply this knowledge in everyday life. You know, आप चाहे spiritual journey से हो, आप कहीं से भी हो, आपको अपनी रेगुलर लाइफ में इसको कैसे अप्लाई करना है, दैट इज द बेस्ट पार्ट ऑफ दिस बुक. बाकी आप मेडिटेशन कर लोगे, आप चैंटिंग कर लोगे, आप हर चीज कर लोगे, लेकिन इस एक प्रॉब्लम का सॉल्यूशन क्या होगा, इस प्रॉब्लम का सॉल्यूशन क्या होगा, हेल्थ प्रॉब्लम का सॉल्यूशन क्या होगा, रिलेशनशिप के प्रॉब्लम का सॉल्यूशन क्या होगा, यू विल गेट सॉल्यूशन फॉर ईच एंड एवरी प्रॉब्लम. और उसकी हर एक की प्रेयर डिफरेंट है, सो यू विल गेट दैट. Okay, so no matter who you are, no matter where you are, no matter what your current circumstances, the magic is going to change your entire life. आप कहीं भी हो, कैसे भी हो, किस हालात में हो, ये प्रॉमिस है. आप मैजिकल सेशन में आए हो and your life will be transformed. That is a promise to you. Okay. So yes, do you believe in magic? सबसे बड़ी बात यह है कि आप मैजिक को बिलीव करते हो या नहीं करते हो. अगर आप कहते हो कि नहीं यार मैजिक कुछ नहीं होता, फल फालतू का ड्रामा है, सिर्फ आई वॉश होता है, तो ये सेशंस आपके लिए नहीं है. मैजिक सालों से होता आ रहा है, होता रहेगा, वो हो भी रहा है, और ये आप अपनी आंखों से देखोगे. आप सेशंस में बने रहिए, आपकी जिंदगी में भी मैजिक होगा. और जब मैजिक होगा ना, तो आप कहोगे मैम ये कैसे हुआ. So you will come to know ये कैसे होगा. So anybody who would like to, okay, man, let me read this and then I will invite somebody to share their experience over there. Those who don't believe in magic will never find it. Remember when you were a child and you looked at life in total wonder and awe. Life was magical and exciting, and the smallest things were utterly thrilling to you. You were fascinated by the frost on the grass, a butterfly flittering through the air, or any strange leaf or rock on the ground. तो ये सब चीजें तो आपने देखी थी. अब ये कैसे हुआ, कहाँ से आई, क्या हुआ, कितना अमेजिंग बात थी ना जब बचपन में हम ये सब चीजें देखते थे. Now, you were full of excitement when you lost a tooth. दांत टूट जाता था और मिट्टी में दबा देते कि ये नया उगाएगा। कितने मजे आते थे, मतलब बचपन की बातें ही कुछ अलग होती हैं। बिकॉज इट मेंट द टूथ फेरी वुड बी कमिंग दैट नाइट and you would count down the days to that magical night of Christmas, even though you had no idea how Santa Claus could get to every child in the world in one night. सारी दुनिया के बच्चों को गिफ्ट मिलते हैं और सेंटा क्लॉज सबको दे के आता था ना ये मैजिक। तो आप ऐसा मैजिक महसूस करोगे। और यहाँ जितने लोग बैठे हैं, अगर मैं एक कभी हाथ नाम उन्होंने सब बताएंगे कि उनके जिंदगी में मैजिक क्या क्या हुआ और कैसे किया और क्या नहीं हुआ। सो आई इनवाइट कमलजीत, व्हाई डोंट यू शेयर सम thing with our new participants, if you can share, Kamal.
Yeah, sure, I'll do that. See, my profession, I come in as a lawyer, and I've been doing this for more than 20 years now. But that profession of my lawyer always had limitations to it. I used to consult people only on legal grounds. Till the case was on, the client was there with me, and the matter would have been finished. No more contact again. This journey has given me a great insight where I can, help people. I can pull them up on a positive mindset beyond the capabilities of my legal knowledge. And this has surely expanded my vision too. When we say that, helping others help you too. So that is what this session has given me. Now, this is the third session which I'm doing with Monica ji, and it's truly a positive insight. That is one. Second thing I would like to say is about the manifestations. Yes, I was able to manifest my property documents. I was very looking at what has happened in my life, and how to go through the what the property is and where it is and how to trace it up. Though being a lawyer, so magically it came to me. I found it in one of the files, and I didn't know how it came. Then how it the documents were like some odd 40 years old. I am 43. The documents are 40 years old. So how the documents came into my office and who placed them, it was really like a Santa Claus coming and giving me a gift to it, as ma'am said. Now, the thing is, even in this COVID times, as a lawyer, being a professional, clients themselves are, having a hard time looking out for money, with their payments and everything. Me being a professional, my payments are dependent upon the clients. But believe me, with God's grace, even in this COVID times, I really appreciate to the God in the universe that my payments are coming in without any efforts. So this is one positive note. And today I just equated, ma'am. Today's experience is that I took out my balance sheet and I equated and I, compared it with the last year's results, like what was it, and it is exactly the same. That was really surprising. I did that exercise in the afternoon. Okay, like what is the equation, comparing it to the balance sheet of the last year. So last year my financial statement had doubled actually, and this year too. Yeah, this year too, even in this pandemic times, it is still on the same mark. It has not gone down. So it is really surprising because unless and until I didn't went into the actual financials of it, I didn't knew it. And me and my wife were shocked today. I mean, boss, this is really happening, and we didn't knew about it. We just didn't realize it. And I'm really happy and grateful to God and universe. And thank you, God and universe. Thank you, Monica ji. And thank you, Nitesh Shetty for introducing me to this program. Thank you so much.
Yeah. So let me go back to the third slide. Yeah. Yes, this is the one. So Anjana, can you support me? Okay. Maybe Sujata, you can read 2 chapters, then Anjana will continue with that. Okay? Sujata, are you there?
Oh, yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Why don't you start? Reindeer could fly.
Okay. Yeah, let me just zoom in. Reindeer could fly. There were fairies in the. I think, yeah. There were fairies in the garden. Pets were like people, toys had personalities, dreams came true, and you could touch the stars. Your heart was full of joy, your imagination knew no limits, and you believed that life was magical. There is an exquisite feeling many of us had as children, that everything is good, that every day promises more excitement and adventure, and that nothing could ever thwart our joy for the magic of it all. But somehow, as we grew into adults, responsibilities, problems, and difficulties took their toll on us. We became disillusioned, and the magic we once believed in as children faded and disappeared. It's one of the reasons why, as adults, we love to be around children, so that we can experience that feeling we once had. Even if it's just for a moment, I am here to tell you that the magic you once believed in is true, and it's the disillusioned adult perspective of life that is false. The magic of life is real, and it's as real as you are. In fact, life can be far more wondrous than you ever thought it was as a child, and more breathtaking, awe inspiring, and exciting than anything you have seen before. When you know what to do to bring forth the magic, you will live the life of your dreams. Then you will wonder how you ever could have given up in believing in the magic of life. You may not see render fly, but you will see the things you have always wanted appearing before your eyes. And you will see the things you have dreamed of for so long suddenly happening. You will never know exactly how everything webbed together for your dreams to come true, because magic works in the invisible realm. And that's the most thrilling part. Are you ready to experience the magic again? Are you ready to be filled with awe and wonder every day, like when you were a child? Get ready for the magic. Our adventure begins 2000 years ago, while life changing knowledge was hidden within a sacred text. A great mystery is revealed. The following passage comes from the Gospel of Matthew in the Holy Scriptures, and it has mystified, confused, and been misunderstood by many people over the centuries. Whoever has will be given more, and he will have an abundance. Whoever does not have, even what he has will be taken from him. You have to admit that when you read the passage, it appears unjust, as it seems to be saying that the rich will get richer and the poor will get poorer. But there's a riddle to be solved in the passage, a mystery to uncover, and when you know it, a new world will have opened up for you. The answer to the mystery that has eluded so many for centuries is one of the hidden word: gratitude. Whoever has gratitude will be given more, and he or she will have an abundance. Whoever does not have gratitude, even what he or she has will be taken from him or her. By the revelation of one hidden word, a cryptic text is made crystal clear. 2000 years have passed since those words were recorded, but they are as true today as they have ever were. If you don't take the time to be grateful, you will never have more. And what you do have, you will lose. And the promise of the magic that will happen with gratitude is in these words: if you are grateful, you will be given more. And if you have, you will have abundance. From the Quran, the promise of gratitude is equally emphatic. And remember, when God proclaimed, "If you are grateful, I will give you more. But if you are ungrateful, verily, my punishment is indeed severe." It does not matter what religion you follow or whether you are religious or not. These words from Holy Scriptures and the Quran apply to you and your life. They are describing a fundamental law of science and of the universe. Thank
Uh,
you.
Thank you, Sujata. Thank you so much. Anjana, can we can you please continue?
Yes, Anmol, thank you. It's universal law. Gratitude operates through a universal law that governs your whole life. According to the law of attraction, which governs all the energy in our universe, from the formation of an atom to the movement of the planets, like attracts like. It's because of the law of attraction that the cells of every living creature are held together, as well as the substance of every material object. In your life, the law operates on your thoughts and feelings because they are energy too. And so, whatever you think, whatever you feel, you attract to you. If you think, I don't like my job, I haven't got enough money, I can't find my perfect partner, I can't pay my bills, I think I'm coming down with something, he or she does not appreciate me, I don't get along with my parents, my child is the problem, my life is a mess, my marriage is in trouble, then you must attract more of those experiences. But if you think about what you are grateful for, like, I love my job, my family is very supportive, I had the best vacations, I feel amazing today, I got the biggest tax refund ever, or I had a great weekend camping with my son, and you sincerely feel the gratitude. The law of attraction says you must attract more of those things into your life. It works in the same way as metal being drawn to a magnet. Your gratitude is magnetic, and the more gratitude you have, the more abundance you magnetize. It is universal law. You will have heard sayings like, whatever goes around comes around. You reap what you sow, and you get what you give. Well, all of those sayings are describing the same law, and they are also describing a principle of the universe that the great scientist Sir Isaac Newton discovered. Newton's scientific discoveries included the fundamental laws of motion in the universe, one of which says every action always has an opposite and equal reaction. When you apply the idea of gratitude to the Newton's law, it says every action of giving thanks always causes an opposite reaction of receiving. And what you receive will always be equal to the amount of gratitude you have given. This means that the very action of gratitude sets off a reaction of receiving. And the more sincerely and the more deeply grateful you feel, in other words, the more gratitude you give, the more you will receive.
So, guys, everything you can understand that it is all the principle of law of attraction that like attracts like. So, when we are thinking positive thoughts, we attract more of positive circumstances in our life, and when we are thinking of negative thoughts, we attract more of negative thoughts in our life. That is what it basically means.
The
Thank you.
golden
Yeah,
thread
please
of
continue.
gratitude. Dating back thousands and thousands of years to the earliest recordings of humankind, The power of gratitude was preached and practiced, and from there was passed on through the centuries, sweeping across the continents, permeating one civilization and culture to the next. The major religions of Christianity, Islam, Judaism, Buddhism, Sikhism, and Hinduism all have gratitude at their core. Muhammad said that gratitude for the abundance you have received is the best insurance that the abundance will continue. Buddha said that you have no cause for anything but gratitude and joy. Lao Tzu said that if you rejoice in the way things are, the whole world will belong to you. Krishna said that whatever he is offered, he accepts with joy. King David spoke of giving thanks to the whole world for everything between the heavens and the earth. And Jesus said thank you before he performed each miracle. From the Australian Aborigines to the African Maasai and Zulu, from the American Navajo, Shawnee and Cherokee to the Tahitians, Eskimo and Maori, the practice of gratitude is at the very root of most ingenious traditions. When you arise in the morning, give thanks for the morning light, for your life and strength. Give thanks for your food and the joy of living. If you see no reason for giving thanks, the fault lies with yourself. History is laden with famous figures who practiced gratitude and whose achievements put them amongst the greatest human beings who have ever lived. Gandhi, Mother Teresa, Martin Luther King Jr., the Dalai Lama, Leonardo da Vinci, Plato, Shakespeare, Aesop, Blake, Emerson, Dickens, Proust, Descartes, Lincoln, Young, Newton, Einstein, and many, many more. Albert Einstein's scientific discoveries changed the way we see the universe. And when asked about his monumental achievements, he spoke only of giving thanks to others. One of the most brilliant minds of all time thanked other people over 100 times a day for the work they had done. Is it any wonder that so many of life's mysteries were revealed to Albert Einstein? Is it any wonder that Albert Einstein made some of the greatest scientific discoveries in history? He practiced gratitude every single day of his life. And in return, he received many forms of abundance. When Isaac Newton was asked how he had achieved the scientific discoveries he made, he said that he stood on the shoulders of giants. Isaac Newton, recently voted the greatest contributor to science and humankind, was also grateful to those men and women who lived before him. The scientists, philosophers, inventors, discoverers, and prophets who practiced gratitude reaped its results, and most were aware of its inherent power. Yet, still, gratitude's power is unknown to most people today. Because to experience the magic of gratitude in your life, you have to practice it. My discovery. My story is the perfect example of what life is like when a person is ignorant of gratitude and what happens when you make gratitude a part of your life. If I had been asked 6 years ago if I was a grateful person, I would have answered, yes, for sure, I am a grateful person. I say thank you when I receive a gift, when someone opens a door for me, or when a person does something for me. The truth is, I was not a grateful person at all. I didn't know what being grateful really meant. And just saying the words thank you on the odd occasion certainly didn't make me a grateful person. My life without gratitude was pretty challenging. I was in debt and it was increasing a little bit more every month. I worked really hard, but my finances never improved. In trying to keep up with the mounting debt and obligations, I was living with a continuous undercurrent of stress. My relationships swung like a pendulum from fair to disastrous because I never seemed to have enough time for each other, uh, for each person. While I was what would be termed healthy, I felt exhausted at the end of each day. I always got my fair share of colds and the latest illness going around each season. I had moments of happiness when I went out with friends or when I went on vacation. But then the reality of having to work harder to pay for those pleasures would sweep over me. I wasn't living, I was surviving from day to day and from paycheck to paycheck. And I would no sooner solve one life problem than more problems would appear. But then something happened that would change everything in my life from that day forward. I discovered a secret about life. And as a result of my discovery, one of the things I began to do was practice gratitude each day. As a result of this, everything in my life changed. And the more I practiced gratitude, the more miraculous were the results. My life truly became magical. For the first time in my life, I became debt free. And shortly after that, I had all the money I needed to do whatever I wanted. Problems in my relationships, work, and health disappeared. And instead of facing daily obstacles, my days became filled with one good thing after another. My health and energy increased dramatically, and I felt better than I had in my 20s. My relationships became much more meaningful, and I enjoyed more good times with my family and friends in just a few months than I had in all the previous years. More than anything else, I felt happier than I thought it was possible to feel. I was blissfully happy, the happiest I had ever been. Gratitude changed me, and my whole life magically changed. Bring the magic into your life.
एवरीवन आई होप यू कैन सी सम एरियाज आपके जो लाइफ के, चाहे वो फाइनेंस हो, हेल्थ हो, रिलेशनशिप हो, पर्सनल डिज़ायर्स हो, या लाइफ में किसी और चीज़ से आप गुजर रहे हो, यू कैन सी अ कनेक्शन मे बी इन हर द ऑथर स्टोरी अबाउट कि वो कैसे डील कर रही थी इन चीज़ों से, एंड देन with the practice of gratitude her life really became much more happier, fulfilled and gratitude filled, and that caused everything to change in her life. Her interrelation, finance, everything turned. And that is what Monica has promised, that each of you will discover for yourself. Each of you will see through in this journey कि कैसे आपकी जो भी चीज़ों से आप डील कर रहे हो या जिस भी चीज़ से आप इस समय जूझ रहे हो, वो सारी चीज़ें तो आपकी पूरी होंगी ही होंगी, और आप उनमें आगे बढ़ोगे ही बढ़ोगे। अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट, जो एरियाज ऑफ लाइफ जो अभी आपको महसूस भी नहीं हो रहे, जो आपको दिख भी नहीं रहे ना, that areas of life will start opening up, that वो भी clear होने लगेंगे. You will find that suddenly इतनी सारी चीजें जो मुझे पता भी नहीं थी वो भी खुल गई और वो भी resolve हो रही हैं, and your life will, then you will start actually feeling कि हमारी life खुद magical बन गई है, because whatever I am doing, so right now ना, sometimes we are living by those circumstances, we are being created by those circumstances. Now what will happen after doing this is we will be creating those circumstances rather than we will be the creator of our lives each day. स्लोली एंड स्टडीली यू विल रियलाइज दैट आप चीजें क्रिएट करो rather than वो चीजें और सर्कमस्टांसेस आप पे इम्पैक्ट हो, you have become the creator, and that is the power this course has. So I'll move forward. Anjana, can we move forward?
Yeah,
I'll
bring
just
the magic into your life. No matter who you are, no matter where you are, no matter what your current circumstances, the magic of gratitude will change your entire life. I have received letters from thousands of people in the worst imaginable situations who have changed their lives completely by practicing gratitude. I have seen miracles take place in health where there seemed to be no hope. I have seen marriages saved and broken relationships transform into magnificent relationships. I have seen those in total poverty become prosperous, and I have seen people in depression catapult into joyful and fulfilling lives. Gratitude can magically turn your relationships into joyful and meaningful relationships, no matter what state they are in now. Gratitude can miraculously make you more prosperous so that you have the money you need to do the things you want to do. It will increase your health and bring a level of happiness beyond what you have ever felt before. Gratitude will work its magic to accelerate your career, increase success, and bring about your dream job or whatever it is you want to do. In fact, whatever it is that you want to be, do, or have, gratitude is the way to receive it. The magical power of gratitude turns your life into gold. As you practice gratitude, you will understand why particular things in your life may have gone wrong and why certain things might be missing from your life. As you make gratitude a way of life, you will wake up each morning so excited to be alive. You will find yourself completely in love with life. Everything will seem effortless. You will feel as light as a feather and happier than you have ever felt before. While challenges may come, you will know how to overcome them and learn from them every day. Every day will be magical. Every day will be filled with far more magic than when you were a child.
अगर आप आज इस समय राइट नाउ अपने डिफरेंट एरियाज ऑफ लाइफ जैसे हेल्थ हो गई, फाइनेंस हो गया, पर्सनल ग्रोथ हो गई या रिलेशनशिप्स हो गई, किसी भी एरिया ऑफ लाइफ को उठाओगे और उसमें ये देखोगे कि कुछ एरियाज आपकी लाइफ के काम कर रहे होंगे बहुत अच्छी तरह, ठीक है, और कुछ एरियाज ऐसे हो सकते हैं लाइफ के जो बिल्कुल भी काम नहीं कर रहे हैं या उतना अच्छा काम नहीं कर रहे जितना आप चाहते हो कि वो काम करें। तो आप जब उसमें नज़र मारोगे तो यू विल फाइंड कि जो एरियाज काम कर रहे हैं ना, अननोइंगली और नोइंगली, हो सकता है कॉन्शियसली कर रहे हो सकता है अनकॉन्शियसली कर रहे हो, लेकिन उन एरियाज में आप ग्रैटिट्यूड देते रहते हो, उनमें आप थैंक करते रहते हो, अब उनमें आप ग्रेटफुल फील करते हो। और जो एरियाज ऑफ लाइफ या जो रिलेशनशिप्स आपकी काम नहीं करती हैं, मे बी यू हैव गिवन अप इन सम ऑफ दोज एरिया, यू रिजाइंड अबाउट इट, और मे बी आप उन एरियाज में आप ग्रैटिट्यूड नहीं देते हो। या ये मेरे को कहने की जरूरत है, आप खुद अपनी लाइफ के एरियाज को देखो और आपको नजर आएगा ये डिफरेंस खुद से कि वो एरियाज जो काम कर रहे हैं, वो एरियाज जो उतना अच्छा काम नहीं कर रहे हैं, उनमें क्या डिफरेंस। यू विल फाइंड दैट ग्रैटिट्यूड इज द मेजर डिफरेंस। लेट्स मूव, अंजना, लेट्स गो अहेड।
Is your life magical? You can tell right now how much you have actually used gratitude in your life. Just take a look at the major areas of your life: money, health, happiness, career, home, and relationships. The areas of your life that are abundant and wonderful are where you have used gratitude and are experiencing the magic as a result. Any areas that are not abundant and wonderful are due to lack of gratitude. It is a simple fact. When you are not grateful, you cannot receive more in return. You have stopped the magic from continuing in your life. When you are not grateful, you stop the flow of better health, better relationships, more joy, more money, and the advancement of your job, career, or business. To receive, you have to give. It's the law. Gratitude is giving thanks, and without it, you cut yourself off from the magic and from receiving everything you want in life. The bottom line of ungratefulness is that when we are not grateful, we are taking. We are taking things in our life for granted. When we take things for granted, we are unintentionally taking from ourselves. The law of attraction says that like attracts like. So if we take something for granted, we will be taken from as a result. Remember, whoever does not have gratitude, even what he or she has, will be taken from him or her. Most certainly, you have been grateful at various times in your life, but to see the magic and cause a radical change to your current circumstances, you have to practice gratitude and make it your new way of life. The magic formula. Knowledge is a treasure, but practice is the key to it. Ancient myths and legends say to bring forth magic, a person must first say the magic words. Bringing forth magic from gratitude works in the same way. And first, you must say the magic words, thank you. I cannot begin to tell you how important words thank you are for your life. To live in gratitude, to experience the magic in your life, thank you must become the two words you deliberately say and feel more than any other words. They need to become your identity. Thank you is the bridge from where you are now to the life of your dreams. The magic formula. Number one, deliberately think and say the magic words, thank you. Number two, the more you deliberately think and say the magic words, thank you, the more gratitude you feel. Number three, the more gratitude you deliberately think and feel, the more abundance you receive. Gratitude is a feeling. So, the ultimate aim in practicing gratitude is to deliberately feel it as much as you can because it's the force of your feelings that accelerates the magic in your life. Newton's law is one for one. What you give, you receive equally. That means that if you increase your feeling of gratitude, the results in your life will expand to be equal to your feeling. The truer the feeling, the more sincerely grateful you are, the faster your life will change. When you discover how little practice it takes, how easy it is to incorporate gratitude into your daily life, and when you see the magical results for yourself, you will never want to return to the life you used to live. If you practice gratitude a little, your life will change a little. If you practice gratitude a lot every day, your life will change dramatically and in ways that you can hardly imagine. A magical book.
uh, okay, thank you Anjana, that will be all, thank you so much. So आप इसमें आप you can understand from this chapter very well कि gratitude or any other thing is basically more derived from the emotions. आप जितना दिल से करेंगे, है ना, उतना ही ज़्यादा आपको रिजल्ट्स मिलेंगे, उतना ही ज़्यादा आपको रिटर्न मिलेंगे. अगर हम सिर्फ कहने को या सिर्फ दिखाने को हम करते रहेंगे तो उससे नहीं मिलेंगे. हम जितना ज़्यादा, और ऑब्वियसली इनिशियली जब आप करेंगे, स्टार्ट करेंगे, तो हो सकता है वो उतना ना हो या उतना फोर्स ना आए या उतना नहीं आए, लेकिन जब हम इस बात को थोड़ा सा कंटिन्यू करेंगे वी विल फाइंड कि दैट स्टार्ट्स इंक्रीजिंग. सो इट्स लाइक फेक इट टिल यू मेक इट. सो हमें कोशिश करनी है अपनी तरफ से बेस्ट, हम फीलिंग्स जितना फीलिंग्स आते हैं उसको इमेजिन कर सकें, उसको कर सकें ग्रेटिट्यूड को. सो नाउ आई विल बी प्लेइंग अ वीडियो फॉर यू ऑल and let's move to the video and hope you like the video. Give me a minute, I'll just share that. Can you guys see it?
Yes, Anmol.
Oh, thank you. Okay.
अभी अभी कुछ स्टार्ट नहीं हुआ है.
Period of time now.
Yes.
So that has been concluded today. We have sent the offer letter to her,
Wow.
and she has accepted it. The only thing which has happened is she went for a COVID test today,
Okay.
and grace of God, and it is negative.
Wow.
So I am a bit relaxed because I was there on Saturday.
Yeah. What
So this is one thing. Second thing, there was a thing which was going on over a period of time, like few of one of my colleague and one doctor, they literally betrayed me. Okay, and I was knowing this. I was knowing this, and things were not placed properly. But today I got the confirmation that the things will be settled before second half tomorrow. So
Wow.
so that was something like वो मुझे अंदर भी खा भी नहीं सक रहा था और वो बाहर भी नहीं निकल रहा था. So it was
Now you put
and
and
yeah, I did that.
outcome for this.
Yeah, I did that. I said to God, like, if you I remembered one of the lecture which sessions which were mentioned, like अगर आपका कोई भी बुरा सोच रहा है या whatever people are thinking bad of you, just try to ignore them, and rest things will fall on its own. So I waited for around just I'm 1 month old to the session, and this is the second journey, not second journey, it is the extension of the good journey.
Yes.
And which is continuing, and today it was awesome day.
Yes.
So again, I'm not hoping, no, it's done. Thank you very much, madam. And the positivity, which I was missing, like I never thought like this will happen that fast. So 4 5 things I should thank to you. I should thank everyone in this group. Like I especially thank again to Kamaljit for giving me this opportunity. And the things which were not feeling like ये होगा ही नहीं है यार, मतलब जो negativity था ना, I'll tell you very honestly, madam, I never sat in the office so long, like, but for this session, because if I go at my place, then my 2 kids will not allow me to attend the lecture.
I did that.
So what I do is I make sure that 6 o'clock or 5:45 my office work gets over, and it gets over like by 5:30 nowadays, because everyone knows कि boss 6:45 को lecture attend 5:45 को lecture attend करना है. तो वो लोग भी खुश हो जाते हैं कि आज 6 बजे हमको छुट्टी मिलेगी. So really thankful to you.
Your behavior towards your employees also changed, right?
No, madam, it never changed. See, I'll tell you one thing very openly. The suggestion or the inspiration what you gave me, or the things which were coming, like for in the case of Nasik, okay. So the magic what you did to me, okay, that Thursday or Wednesday what we did, Thursday I think, that changed the whole life. Tuesday,
Yeah.
that changed the whole life, because I was in too much of thinking like अरे यार उसका क्या होगा, उसका फैमिली का क्या होगा, उसका बच्चों का क्या होगा, उसका शक्ल सामने आता था, everything. But I went with the procedure what you did, like just forget it, and you don't believe, madam, ki matlab next day onwards, like, yes, he was my colleague, and I will try to do whatever best it is possible from me. Okay, whatever God permits me कि सर मुझे ये करना है, I did that.
वो जो गिल्ट, वो जो एक दोस्ती है, उसका एक्चुअली आप फर्ज निभा रहे हो, which is actually I really acknowledge you, Tushar. Nobody does that much also.
Thank you so much.
Went to his house, enrolled her wife. I really, appreciate your effort.
Because there was only 2 options, madam, I discussed, like one is that to give her some lump sum amount and just clear out that issue, or
मेरा सबको समझ नहीं आ रहा होगा कि क्या कह रहे हैं, कि तुषार के जो एक बहुत अच्छे फ्रेंड थे, he is no more, and all of a sudden उनकी डेथ हुई, तो he was very much concerned about the family, So what he has done is he has enrolled his wife for the same job, और उनको स्पेशली जाके अब उनको ट्रेनिंग भी दे रहे हैं एंड उसको जॉब पे
Yeah.
थैंक यू
The
सो
be- yeah, so what I'll just add up to this, it is like that female is ready to join. Okay, she was ready to join, but
Yeah.
again to get her on the right track. Okay, so what I thought is, जो मेरा expertise है life में, and few of my friends who are the best trainers who have trained me and my colleagues and everyone. Okay, I really thank few of them. Because of them, I am able to talk to you in a very openly manner. So that those people are when I discuss these things with you like this on this forum, I discuss with few of my trainers. They said, Tushar, कभी भी एनी टाइम यू फील लाइक कि हमको जाके उनको ट्रेन करना है मैडम को, तुम सिर्फ बता देना 48 hours पहले. So that thing also I have done, and we 3 trainers like myself and a couple of 2 trainers now. So we will be around 7th or 8th of this month. We are going there, and it will be done, madam. I'm giving my whole efforts, and I thank God for this. I thank everyone, and I especially thank for you or my this colleagues who are there in this session, who have joined me as an who have accepted me like a family member. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Tushar, for sharing this. This actually inspires others also. You know, it is really, really, really good. Thank you, Tushar, for sharing this.
Thank you, madam. Thank you so much.
Thank you. So let us move ahead. So, okay. Let me go ahead. Okay. So this is what it is, my discovery, this, the magic book. Okay. Now you know what is gratitude. So what is gratitude is? Gratitude is basically we are creating a magical journey, right? So the gratitude can transform your common days into Thanksgiving, और आपका रूटीन जॉब्स को जॉय और नई अपॉर्चुनिटीज में कन्वर्ट कर देगा, एंड अपॉर्चुनिटीज जो आपको मिलेंगी वो ब्लेसिंग्स के अंदर कन्वर्ट कर देगा. सो दिस इज हाउ द जर्नी ऑफ ग्रेटिट्यूड विल गो, एंड योर ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन इज माय कमिटमेंट. ये मैं पहले दिन से और पहले टाइम से बोलती हूँ और एंड तक बोलती रहूंगी, आपकी ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन मेरी जिम्मेदारी है, प्रोवाइडेड you do the assignments, you do the task given to you. That is what it is. Then, okay, some journeys need no roads, just a willing heart. तो आप लोग रेडी हैं इस जर्नी के लिए? आज पहला दिन है, इसलिए मैं आप लोगों से पूछती हूँ, आर यू रेडी फॉर?
Yes.
Yay!
Yes.
Great. Now you have to put right hand on your heart. Put your right hand on your heart and speak after me. I take. All of you have to say this. I take. And I accept.
And I accept
The responsibility. Of myself.
Of myself.
I am responsible.
I am responsible
For who I am.
For who
I am.
For what I have.
For what I have.
For what I do.
For what
What
I
I do.
I'm ready
I'm
to take the responsibility of myself.
I'm
ready
ready
to
to
take my
the responsibility of myself.
I accept myself the way I am.
I
accept the way
I am.
The way I am.
I will be the higher version of myself. I promise.
I will be the higher version of
myself.
promise.
Thank you, God. Thank you, universe.
Thank you, God. Thank you,
Thank
universe.
you, God.
Thank you, universe.
Thank you, God.
Thank you, and I love you all. Thank you for taking that charge. You know, very, very.
We love you, Didi. We love you.
We love you. I just love you all. And now from today onwards, every day you are going to take a vitamin. What vitamin is that? That is the vitamin G, which is called the gratitude. Where this dose will be taken in the morning, this dose will be taken in the evening. और इस जर्नी में आपकी जो ये मैजिकल जर्नी है, इसमें जो ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन है, जो चाहे रिलेशनशिप हो, कोई भी चीज, हर चीज ट्रांसफॉर्म होगी, हर चीज होगी, एंड यू विल लव दिस जर्नी. आई एम 100% श्योर. So let me see, what are you taking from today's session? At least 3 points बताएंगे. क्या लेके जा रहे हो आज के सेशन से आप लोग?
Say that you are beautiful. Today is an awesome day, and be grateful always.
Okay, all of you, please, if you can't speak, you can put it on the chat box. You just tell me, what are you taking from today's session? Come on.
Say thank you for everything, whatever I have. Acknowledge my own self.
Very nice, very nice.
I'm responsible for what I am, what I
Yeah,
have, and what I will do.
perfect.
And thank you God, thank you universe.
Great, great.
And mirror में रोज आते जाते समय, boss, I love you. You're looking very good and handsome.
Yes. Amazing, amazing, amazing. So this is the journey. आज थोड़ा सा theoretical ज्यादा था, because ये foundation है और ये सारे chapters पढ़ने बहुत जरूरी थे. तो reading तो रोज होगी, लेकिन fun ज्यादा होगा कल से, because you will be having case studies, you will be having projects, you will be having, you know, stories. तो उनके through आपको सारे tools and techniques सिखाई जाएंगी. So you will actually love it, and that will actually help you how you can move ahead. So today's assignment is write your dreams. आप क्या चाहते हो, इस सेशन से आप क्या चाहते हो, और आपके सपने क्या हैं, बस उसकी लिस्ट बनानी है. दैट्स इट, और कुछ नहीं करना. एक नोटबुक अपनी छोटी सी पतली सी प्यारी सी डायरी अपनी रखनी है, जो कि क्लास में कोई एक्टिविटी होती है वो उसमें करने के लिए, बिकॉज दैट इज वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. बताऊंगी ग्रैटिट्यूड बुक कब रखोगे, कैसे रखोगे, कैसे लिखनी है, वो कल से बताऊंगी. बट आज से आप वो ड्रीम, सबसे पहले आपके क्या सपने हैं, क्या चाहते हो, मैं कह रही हूँ जो चाहते हो ना लिख डालो आज. चाहे आप सूरज चाहते हो, आप चांद चाहते हो, तारे चाहते हो, जो चाहते हो लिख डालो आज. क्या चाहते हो, लेट अस. And that is the end of the session. Thank you, thank you, thank you so much. Anybody has any doubt, anybody has anything to ask, you can please ask.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you. I love you all. I hope
Thank you, Didi.
it was a wonderful session.
Thank you so much.
Thank you
Thank you
so
so
much.
much, ma'am.
Thank you so
Thank you.
much.
Thank you.
And today's class 5:30 chat होगी. All the best. Love you all. Take care. Good night. Shabba khair.